You want to learn how to make some of these golden gems here, these hush puppies? Come along with me and I'll show you how to make them. Those are little fried balls that everybody likes at a fish fry. And so we're going to start off with 2 cups of cornmeal mix, 1 cup of self-rising flour. Mix that. 1 egg beaten. 1 cup of milk. Stir that around. This is about 1 large onion, chopped. I like a lot of onion in mine. And I'll put a little bit, about a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm gonna mix that up. I'm using one of them Fry Daddy things today. I don't know if it's the Big Daddy or the Little Daddy. It's one of them. We've got our dough. It's been sitting. You want it this consistency, you know, not runny or anything, kind of thick. We're gonna get about a big old, this is a tablespoon. It takes a few minutes for them to fry. They usually rise to the top, but I'm using this basket thing. You take another spoon and scoop it off. It all comes off. About 3 or 4 at a time, or your oil will go down. For those of you who like spicy hush puppies, you can chop up about a half a cup of these jalapeno peppers and add them to your batter. My husband and son love them things. Give them a little kick. Hey there folks, we just got the hush puppies out of the fryer and they look delicious. So I hope you try these. I know you're gonna like them. They're just nice and crisp, and we're fixing to fix some chicken fingers, and I hope you try them. You're gonna like them. God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.